My name is Expangap. I know about what the reason why I'm here. I'm American and live in California. I know about Philippines, but I acknowledge how about the Philippines. It's not my name about Expangap, but I know about expanding my citizenship in Filipino. But my gap is age is I have about 42 and my girlfriend is only 19. I know her about that she was a Filipina and I'm here his boyfriend American. I'm expand gap. In California, all the Filipina citizen is not American. That's not I'm not American and the Philippines and my Filipinas girlfriend. Thank you po. Salamat po. I love you po. Po, opo, salamat. Thank you. I love you.